Removal guides on our website, Car Stereo Removal. Today we have a 2020 Audi Q5 Quattro. We're going to show you how to remove the speaker here in the door. This is a pretty simple one. What we're going to do is remove this panel here first. We're going to start by pulling on the handle and going up behind this panel and attempting to pry this panel out. Here, and that will loosen the panel. You can see the panel's loose. We're not removing the panel right off. We need to loosen this panel first, so we're going to work our way across underneath the panel, releasing these clips. Now with these clips all released all the way to the front here, we're going to take this panel and move it forward on the door. It moves forward about, I'd say about a ½ inch. This ½ inch is going to allow the front part of this panel to release, and then we're going to pull it back and pull it out. The reason for this is on the back of the panel we have a little hook here that goes in the opening back here. Also up here at the panel at about right here, we have another little hook here. And this hook has to fit this slot here, and then the panel slides back or slides forward to release. To put it back in, we're going to put the back hook in, put the front hook in here into this slot, slide the panel back, and snap it back into place. Now that removes that panel. Next we want to remove this panel, and if you look real closely, way down here at the very bottom there's a little slot for like a flathead screwdriver, which we don't like to use because it tends to mar the plastic. But there's a little opening here underneath, and we're going to pry this panel up. There we go. You can hear it cracking as it releases, so we got to be very careful working up the sides on this because there are clips all the way up around the sides. We'll work our way up the sides. This panel will come straight off. Go. This panel comes straight off where the top one slid. Now with the door panel off, we have several screws here. One is here in this opening. This is going to be a T25, Torx 25. Move one from here, one from the back opening here at the top. We have two in the door handle here as well. One at the top. One at the top. And one that's way back down in. You may have to put an extension on your screwdriver to get this one. This one's back in the opening here. Kind of hard to find this one. There we go. Okay. And the final fourth screw. Now with our pry bar, we're going to start the bottom front edge of the door panel and attempt to pry the door panel from the car. You can hear the cracking or the snapping as it starts. we go. We're going to work our way along the bottom and all the way up. Both sides are free, and this panel will pull straight off. Alright, you'll notice we've ruled the window down so we can get access to the back side here. Okay, we're going to pull the top part of the door back. This is going to give access to the linkage for the door handle. And we're going to grasp the cable and we're going to pull this up. And this will release the tab, and at the same time the end here goes into a little slot. You didn't see that come out so quick. I pulled that out, it came out so quickly you didn't see that. But this plastic clip will release, and you bring this wire around to release it up and out. This will release the top portion. Now that we have the panel back and released from the door handle, we have a second connector that's down here on the door that goes up, and two other controls on the door panel is all for the door locks. But there is a connector over here on the side. Okay, now on this blue connector down here that's hard to see, you have a white tab at the end. We're going to take this white tab and pull this back. There it goes, release back, spun around, and this is going to release the connector. This connector, sitting in the door, sits in this connection, in this position. And we're releasing this little latch here on the side. Well, there we go. The latch will release, and as the latch releases and comes around, down here it pushes the connector out of the opening so you can pull the connector out. Now to put this connector back in, it has to be in this position, push it into the opening, and when you push this back down to lock back in place where it originally was, it pulls the connector into the connector. Now with this release, we can remove the door panel. Alright, now that we're down to the speaker, we're going to have several screws around the side here, 8mm. We're going to remove these screws. We have a little tab that's attached to the speaker itself that's holding the wire bundle, and we have a connector off to the side here. And we're going to remove the speaker and see if we get better access to this connector so you can see how to release it. We have 1, 2, 3 screws here. We have a full library of removal guides on our website, See Car Stereo Removal, if you have any other vehicles or website first. Now this is going to release the speaker. It's going to come off the door. Got a little hook here on one side to line up. And this is our connector at the top. The connector has little triggers on both sides here. We're going to push these triggers in, and this will release the connector. Let's see here. There we go. And then release the other plastic connector tab over here. And that's how you replace this speaker. Back into place. 4 screws hold it in. 4 more screws hold the door panel on. Don't forget to hook up your door handle and your connector here for your windows and door locks. Hope this video has been helpful. See our website for other removal guides. Thumbs up, and please, thank you for watching.